Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you for stopping by. Today we're going to be talking about the Promark Shadow Drone, the GPS one. With all these things happening, we're in 2024 December, and on this other app that I have, the Tick, app, I've been seeing a lot of these drones that they're talking about that are mysteriously flying around New Jersey. And it kind of reminded me of the Shadow Drone that I have because it's pretty big. If you change the lights around a little bit and finagle it and change it around, it kind of looks like the GPS drone, the Shadow Drone. But they're talking about car size and SUV size and sometimes even bus size drones. And I just can't believe that. But I did fly this drone, my GPS drone, out at night. And I want you to, kind of check it out if you want to. It's an old drone, and I haven't really flown it because the max time on this drone. Let me show you it. Let me show you this. Let me see. Flip this around. So here it is. Welcome to my apartment, by the way. It's Christmas time. Here's the drone itself that we're talking about. It's the Promark GPS drone, and I'm waiting for it to hit 4 solid bars, and then we can fly it. It'll only fly for about maybe 10 minutes, 15 minutes max, depending how hard we push it. And it'll go pretty high, but what I like about it is it stabilizes. I got this is about 7 or 8 year old drone, but we got it on a Black Friday deal, and only got it for 99 bucks back then. And back then this drone was $250. And people, it's a great beginner drone. I don't want to do too much of a review. I just want to kind of show you what it does. And it's a pretty cool drone. Just charge it up by USB. Simple. And it has a real cool controller, which I don't know where it is right now at this second, but you'll see it when I fly out there. So last night we flew at nighttime, and man, it looked pretty creepy, kind of like the videos that you see in New Jersey. So that was kind of cool. I now have the DJI Mini, and that's what I use. And I just recently bought the Neo. So if you want to see that, check out my videos, because I'm doing the Neo, DJI Neo videos right now. So as they say, without further ado, let's do this. Okay guys, so we're outside, and I'm going to show you how to connect the Promark drone. As you can see here, I have the controller. I'm going to do the whole setup. If you're bored, you can skip forward, but basically you do have to turn on your Wi-Fi. So I'm going to do that now. Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. I did that, and I'm going to turn on. Now it's asking me what I want to connect to. So I have to turn on this, which I just did. That's on. Now I have to turn on the drone. Give me a second here. And here's the drone. Now with the drone, all it is hold this button down. Once should do it. It's totally illuminating. Now I'm going to have to do the Indian dance. I call it the Indian dance, where you turn around 4 times like this. That's 2. That's 3. That's 4. This is to get all the satellites connected. Then you have to turn it vertical. 1, 2, 3, and 4. That should do it. I'm gonna sit that down. All the lights are solid now. Can't really see it there. Let me move back a little bit. I think you should be able to see it there. Yeah. So now I have to turn on again my phone. I have to connect it to, let me turn this off. Go back to settings, connections, and I should find that thing. Let's see. Maybe not. Oh, you know what I did not do? Have to turn on the app. I'm glad that happened. So we have to turn on the Promark, and then we have to go to Connect, Quick Start. Go to Quick Start. Did all that. Okay. So now what? Do we want to control? Nope, we don't want to do that. Fly? Maybe. It's not connected. Yeah, so I got to connect it back the way that I said. So let's go back. And this is when I really like doing these videos, because it'll show us, hey, you're not connected. So let's do this again. Go to the settings. Hopefully the Promark will show up this time. And if it doesn't, what I do is I turn off the Wi-Fi. Then I turn on the Wi-Fi again. Then I go to there. Oh, there it is, Promark. So connect to Promark. Connecting. Checking the quality. And once that's done, I can get out of there. Go back to Promark. There we go, Promark. When I click this, it should show. There we go. No, not that. Oh, Quick Start. I will figure this out. Maybe controls. Keeping the drone level. Oh yeah, okay, I already did that. Let's see. No, it's making me do the Indian dance again. All right, let's do that. And I can say I'm part native, so that's okay. I can say Indian, or I can say Native American, or I can say indigenous. There we go. They're all solid. Now we're good to go. Once they're all solid like that, you're going to get a picture on the screen. Do you see the picture there? I hope you can see that. Now all you have to do is connect it and hit probably this button right here, the quick start button. There it is. And there it is. It's going to level off. And then you can make it fly up, fly forward. It's very responsive. You see that? How cool is that? That is so cool. You turn it around. I took a picture of me. You can see it's seeing what we see. I'm gonna take a picture right there. I won't take it way up high. You're not going to see it. And now you can't even hear it. But I want to take a picture. I'm going to rotate the camera down. And take a picture right now. Did so. Rotate it. Picture. Rotate it, picture. Now I'm going to bring it back down. Here it comes, it's coming down. Very responsive. It's a great, great drone. And now I'm going to do it one touch to land it. And there you go. And that, ladies and germs, is the Promark Shadow Drone. One of the reasons that I'm flying it in December 2024 is that something recently happened in New Jersey, and I think a lot of you know what I'm talking about. And this drone at night, which I'm going to show the footage now after this, and then I'll end the video. It's a very short video, just 10 minutes. Kind of surprised me, and it's like, man, that looks kind of like my Promark drone, but you know, of course it's not, but it just reminded me. And I said I should fly that thing and see how it does, and I did, and I enjoyed it. So I had fun, and after sitting there for, I don't know, maybe 3, 4, 5 years, I can't even remember, it started up, it charged, and you saw how responsive it is. So do I recommend this drone if you can still get it, which I doubt? Yeah, I do. I recommend it. So if you can get it, I would get it. Again, everybody, thank you for stopping by. Please like and subscribe. I'm also doing, like I said, videos on the DJI Neo, the brand new one that follows you, the small one, for $199. So if you want any advice on that or anything, ask questions. And I like to interact, so ask me some questions about other stuff as well too. If you see some other videos or something like that, I have all kinds of types of videos. So thank you again for stopping by, guys. Have a very, 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 very Merry Christmas, and for those other people, happy holidays. All right, take it easy, guys. See you in the next one. This is the GPS 207. That's us right here. Thank you. Thank you. This is the Promark GPS drone. One of the things I like about it, different from DJI, is DJI won't let me fly if I'm in an environment such as this. I'm going to start recording. It's recording, and we're recording the recording. There we go. It's coming back down, and you can see how big it really is. I'm going to get right under it. I'll get right under it. You can stop. Thank you.